This is slow work, philosophical work, critical thinking work, but it's the work of democracy. Seth Godin says people like us do things like this. That's how culture is built. That's how it works, and that's how it's created. But right now in the US, we can't even agree on who people like us are. And that makes consensus almost impossible. And this is why so many legal battles feel existential and also exhausting, because they're not just about policies. They're about our very sense of belonging, about who we are. Think about what happened after the Civil War, or during Reconstruction, or in the civil rights movement of the 60s, moments of identity crisis where law had to either evolve or crack. We have to ask ourselves, what unites us? Can we build a new national identity rooted not in sameness, but in shared values of what we can collectively agree is important to us as a nation? To have shared laws, we need a shared moral center. We need to believe that we are part of the same story. Law follows identity. And without shared identity, we'll keep weaponizing the law instead of it being a guiding force created by us and therefore being guided by the law. Where does this leave us? Well, to rediscover our shared identity, we would need to stop arguing and start building together. If we want justice to be more than a slogan, we have to be brave enough to define it together. If we want law and order to mean more than simply punishment and power, we have to make those systems reflect our highest values, not just our worst fears.